The FT error code on your DeLonghi portable air conditioner is one of the most common issues you'll encounter. Understanding what it means and why it happens will help you maintain your unit properly. When you see the FT error code displayed on your DeLonghi air conditioner, this indicates a specific problem that needs immediate attention. FT stands for full tank or water full. This error appears when your air conditioner has collected too much condensate water internally and cannot operate safely until the water is drained. Air conditioners work by removing moisture from warm, humid air. As the unit cools the air, water vapor condenses and collects inside the machine. This is a normal part of the cooling process. The FT error occurs more frequently in high humidity conditions. During summer months in coastal areas or during rainy weather, your air conditioner will collect water faster and may need more frequent draining. Some DeLonghi models may display HL instead of FT, but both error codes mean exactly the same thing. Your unit is full of water and needs to be drained. It's crucial to address the FT error promptly. Ignoring this warning can lead to reduced cooling performance, potential water damage, and in severe cases, damage to internal components. Your air conditioner is designed to protect itself by stopping operation when this error appears. Remember this simple equation: FT or HL error equals water full, which equals immediate draining needed. Understanding this error code is the first step to maintaining your DeLonghi air conditioner properly. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to fix the FT error on your DeLonghi air conditioner. We'll cover each step systematically to get your unit running properly again. Step 1. Confirm that your display panel shows either FT or HL error code. This indicates the unit is full of water and needs to be drained. Step 2. Locate the drain plug or hose at the back of your unit, typically at the bottom. This is where the accumulated water will be released. Step 3. Place a shallow pan or container under the drain area. Remove the drain plug or open the valve to allow all the water to empty out completely. Step 4. If you're using a drain hose, inspect it carefully for any clogs, kinks, or bends that might prevent proper drainage. Clear any blockages you find. Step 5. Remove and clean the air filter. A dirty filter restricts airflow and can contribute to water accumulation. Wash it with soapy water and let it dry completely. Step 6. After draining the water and cleaning the filter, reset your air conditioner. Turn it off. Unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Step 7. If the error persists after following these steps, it may indicate a more complex internal issue. Contact a qualified HVC technician for professional diagnosis and repair. Following these 7 steps should resolve the FT error on your DeLonghi air conditioner. Regular maintenance, including cleaning filters and ensuring proper drainage, will help prevent this issue from recurring.